Battery replacement on Dell Latitude 7280 laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Shirey, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. A battery replacement service was performed on the Dell Latitude 7280 laptop to resolve issues related to reduced battery life, irregular charging behavior, and sudden shutdowns. The procedure began with the safe shutdown and disassembly of the laptop to access the internal battery compartment. The original battery, which showed signs of wear and decreased capacity, was carefully removed. A new, compatible lithium-ion battery designed specifically for the Dell Latitude 7280 model was installed. All connectors were properly secured to ensure a stable connection between the battery and the motherboard. Battery replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.